Hello and welcome to Off Track Planet.
We are at
And Ross.
So this is Chinatown.
and we are at Chinatown night market.
At night, the high street of Bangkok's Chinatown transforms into one of the greatest street food locations in the world. Locals and visitors can be seen turning dinners into an evening of exploration. Trust me guys, it can be a lot of fun.
Located along the Yaowarat Rd, Chinatown is a Chinese culture and commercial hub. It is majorly known for its exotic culinary experience of street foods, along with several Buddhist temples and traditional wooden shops selling Chinese goods. It is best to visit Chinatown at night, which is when it is vibrant with neon lights and chaotic fun.
Check out the exact address in description below. The Bangkok Chinatown is the largest in the world and is a haven for tourists to explore the best of Chinese tradition and culture. Each little alley and side road is filled with shops displaying everything from mouth-watering to clothing and accessories. The whole atmosphere is very unique, and walking through this night market is an outstanding experience. The brightly lit billboards, which are already a real landmark of Chinatown, impress immensely.
When visiting Chinatown in Bangkok after sunset, the road turns into a night market, cooking street food like no other. Chefs cook in front of their customers and create wonderful meals. Many of these exotic foods have never been seen before, and brave ones can taste their way through the food stalls. Grillers of pork skewers or the flames of a fried noodle wok clustered around popular clubs and bars. There are many yummy fruits, fresh juices, but also a variety of seafood. As you sit and eat at one of the endless street side tables, the conversation inevitably turns to the question, what will we eat next? Rice or noodles? Soup or fried? 2 more meals or 1?
So, we would suggest you to go and taste a little bit everything you like, enjoy your evening, and come back with luscious memories.
Thank you for watching. Hope you like our video. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again.
See you soon.